Where's my badge? I know it's around here somewhere.
Hey, what are you looking for?
Just my badge and my dignity.
Tip number 1, declutter your physical workspace.
Hey, Jen.
Hey.
I was just looking at my resume. I'm thinking about applying for this job in HR. You know, because that fits me.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, let me take a look. Tip number 3, update your resume and/or your cover letter for the position you're applying for.
And always remember to include hiking.
Tip number 4, get rid of the parts of your professional life that no longer bring you joy. Hey, what are you doing with your laptop?
Well, it's no longer bringing me joy. It's just bringing me meeting reminders and passive-aggressive emails.
But don't you need it to work?
Work.